Hi grade 1. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will start unit 6 in your book Connect. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today our unit is about what? Is about let's play music. I think we took this lesson on in KG2, okay? The musical instrument. Here we talk about what? About musical instrument. We have here drum, flute, triangle, sorry, guitar, piano. So we have what is the musical instrument? We have here drum, flute, triangle, guitar, and piano. Here we have an extra vocab we use here. We use here can is expressing the ability to do something. Play used with musical instrument. Let's must be followed by the infinitive form. Together means with each other. Okay. Let's go to another to the exercise related to this part. Here we have what is this? Let's say it's triangle. So you are clever pupils. Yes, this is triangle. What is this? Guitar. You are clever pupils. What's this? Drum. You are clever pupils. Drum. Here we have the vocab that we do it. We write it as a homework. Drum, flute, triangle, guitar, piano. We have here drum, flute, triangle, guitar, and piano. I will write it here to know how to write it, but after I finish our video today, I will leave the link of the book below the video to trace these words and practice how to write it. Here we have drum, here we have flute, here we have triangle. This is called triangle. This is triangle. So here we have 3 musical instruments, and I will continue the rest of the musical instrument here. Let's continue the rest. Here we have guitar and piano. Here is guitar. And here is piano, okay? Guitar and piano. Guitar and piano. Here we have guitar and piano, okay? Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have, there is a text, this is a dialogue, let's read it together. I can play guitar, I can play drum, I can play triangle, I can play flute. So here we have the words that related to this part, guitar, drum, triangle, and flute, okay? And here we use can to expressing ability, and can we also followed by the infinitive form. Can we will take later. We know that it's from models, okay? Of models. In the later we took a lesson in grammar, which is models: can, could, shall, should, will, would, and so on. Okay. Let's go to continue the rest of the unit today. I can play the guitar. So here play used with what? With the musical instrument. Okay. We use play with the musical instrument. Here I can play the guitar. I can play the flute. Here we have suggestion, which is let's plus the infinitive form. Let's play together. Let's go out. Let's read. Let's play. Let's enjoy, and so on. So it will be must be related by what? By the infinitive form. Here we have read and match. I can play the flute. Which one is play the flute? The last one. So I select this one by this one. I can play triangle. This one by this one. I can play the guitar. This one by this one. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here is what is this? Piano. So I select this one. What is this? Drum. I select drum. Here is flute, guitar. So let's continue the rest. Triangle. Which one is triangle? This one by this one. So I select this one by this one. Guitar. Which one is guitar? This one by this one. Piano. Which one is this one by this one? Drums. This one by this one. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here we have missing letters. If you keep the vocab, you can answer this question. Okay, here is drum and here is guitar. I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself after keeping the vocab. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have I can play what? Here is the girl. Play what? Play, can play guitar? No, it's not guitar. It's what? It's piano. I can play drum. Okay, for pupils. I can play flute. Excellent. I can play drum. Sorry, not drum. Guitar. Guitar. It's not drum. Guitar. Let's go to another question here. Here we have three. Here we have three words, and we have two sentences. Okay, you can guess which one is correct in the suitable place. I can play what? I can play here. I can play piano. Okay, here I can play piano. So I put here I can play piano. Here is I. It will be what? It will be I can play triangle. Here is I can play triangle. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here is guitar and flute. Here is guitar, written like this. This is called guitar. And here is flute. Here is the phonics D, capital D and small d. Here is capital D and small d. Capital G and small g. Let's know the words related to this letter. Here we have drum, dog, Dina. Drum, dog, and Dina. This is the words related to letter G. Let's go to the letter G to know the words related to this letter. It will be guitar, Jamila, green. Guitar, Jamila, and green. Here we have, let's answer the exercise related to this part. Dog, which one is dog? In the middle, you are clever pupils. Green, which one is green? This one is green, okay? Another one, Dina, which one is Dina here? Which one is Dina? I think Dina is who wear red t-shirt. This is Dina. So, okay, let's go to the rest of the exercise. No, it's not Dina. Dina here is with yellow t-shirt. Not this is Jamila. This is Dina. So I select this one, Dina. Here is capital D and small capital D and small d. Capital G and small g. How I write it? I will write it here, separated to know how to write it. This is capital D and this is small d. Here we have capital D and small d. Here we have capital G and small g. Okay. Now we know the two letters here in this part, okay, and know the pronounced of this letter. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have, I read this before. Here we have, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? This is Jamila. So I select letter G. If we can we select D? Jamila, can say Jamila or Jamila? No, we say Jamila. Okay, here is drum. Here is guitar. Here is green. Here is drum. Which one is drum? This one by this one. Dina, this one by this one. Green, this one by this one. Dog, this one by this one. Here is can read and take. This is what is this? This dog. So I said put right. Is it Dina? Wrong. It's not Dina. It's drum, not Dina. This is a dog. Green. Yes. Guitar. Yes. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have green. So I select this one. Jamila. This one by this one. Drum. This one by this one. Guitar. This one by this one. Here we have Dina. We have here guitar, we have here dog, and we have here green, okay? Have here green. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. So here we have drum. So I write it here drum. Green. Here is Gina. We have here Jamila. Jamila. Here is Jamila. Jamila. Here is Jamila. Jamila. Okay. Here is Jamila. If you keep the vocab, you can answer this question by yourself correct. Okay. I answered some of them, and I would like to keep it and answer by yourself. Here is dog, and here is guitar. Let's continue. Here we use the expression of I can. I can with our senses. This is connect by science. We know the sense. I think we know senses before, and we know it before in Discover book, and here we know it in Connect. Here we have I can touch, I can hear, I can taste, I can smell, I can see. I will repeat and repeat after me. I can touch, I can hear, I can taste, I can smell. I can touch, I can hear, I can taste, I can smell, I can see. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have taste. Which one is taste? This one by this one. Which one is here? This one by this one. Which one is smell? The boy who's smelling what? Smelling flower. Here is an environment awareness. Let's continue to know that the things that we must do it in our environment. Here we have here we paint the platform here, the one who platform, the one who says song with a loud song is wrong. Here is polluting the sea is wrong. Throwing the garbage on the on the trash, this is right. Writing on the wall, it's wrong. Watering the flower is right here. So here we put the good behavior. The good behavior is this one and sorry, this one only. Okay, this is a good behavior. Here it's a good behavior. Here, good behavior. Which one is good behavior here? The one who writing on the wall is wrong. Throwing the rubbish, yes. Watering the flowers, yes. Painting the platform, yes. Okay. Here is look answer. I will leave this to do it by yourself, and I answered one question, and I will leave the another one to do it by yourself. I can see, yes or no? Yes. I can touch, yes. I can hear. We make right. I can smell. No, no, it's not smell. It's what? It's this is not smell. This is what? This is taste. Okay, you must know this is taste, not smell. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Here we have I can what? I can taste. I can touch. I can see. I can smell. Okay. Here is bad. Here is trace. Bad and good. Here is bad, good, bad, and good. Okay. Here is I can what? I can hear. So I put here. Here can hear. I can what here? I can taste. Because taste. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here related to this unit. I would like to wait me grade 1 in revise. I will make a revise on your book Connect later after finishing our lesson. We have only 2 units. I will end from them. Then I start a revise. You can follow me on the channel to know to revise to benefit from our revise on the channel. Okay, I think so. Okay, here is we have what this boy doing. This boy smelling. Okay, so I write here smell. Okay, here is touch. Here is touch, and here is see. Here is see. Here is hair. Here, sorry, not here. Here. Here, okay, here she's hearing. Here, see, touch, and smell. Let's continue the rest of this unit. This is the last one is the review on the unit. I like this page because in this page we took the brief of what we learned during the unit. In the unit, we know the musical instrument, which is drum, flute, triangle, guitar, and piano. Here we know some language expression like what? Like I can do something or let's play something. Okay, both of them must be followed by the infinitive form like this. I can play the guitar or let's play together. Okay, this is the suggestion form. We know here the phonics between the phonics capital G and small d, capital G and small g, and the word related to this letter, it will be drum, dog, Gina, related to capital D and small d. Capital G and small g, we have guitar, Jamila, and green. I would like to say something to note grade 1, that the names must be written in capital letter like Dina and Jamila. Here we have the senses, as you know, connect with science. I can hear, I can touch, I can see, I can smell, I can taste. Here is this exercise to keep the vocab and translate it, written in Arabic, and you can translate. If you know it, if you know the picture, you can write it like this. Here is we say here. Okay. If you keep the vocab, you can answer this. This is called Jamila. Jamila. Okay. Jamila, as we know it here in this part. Here is touch. Okay. So here I write the vocab. You must write it after you keeping the vocab. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is a practice on general in unit 6. I will answer one and I leave the one to do it by yourself. Here is flute. Which one is flute? This one by this one. Dina. Dina, which one is Dina? Dina is the one who wearing, I think Dina is one who wearing blue, not red. Red is Jamila. So the one who wearing the blue shirt, it will she's Dina. Here is here. Sorry, here. This is here. The one here. Here. This is flute. This is flute. Dina. This one is Dina. Here. Can hear. This is triangle. Okay. Green. Which one is green? In the middle, you are clever pupils. Drum. In the first. Touch. Which one is touch here? The one, the girl who touched she's touching a cat. Guitar, this one. Look and read. See or smell. Here is what smell. So I select this one. Dog or green? No, it's dog. Guitar or piano? Piano. Jamila or Dina? No, she's Jamila. Here is read and circle the odd one. Here is we have two things that related to musical instrument, and one is not, which is dog. See, green here. We have two senses and one is different. It will be what? It will be green. Flute, Jamila, and Dina. We have two names and one is not related to names, which is flute. Here, let's continue the rest of the exercise. I can play what? I can play here piano. I can here play piano. Okay. It's what? It's green. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is what? Here is flute. Here is C. Here is drum. Here is Dina. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is what can I write here? I can play piano. I can play here. I say I can play piano. I can play guitar. I can play flute. I can play triangle. I will write two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I can play piano. I can play piano. So here we do this exercise to trace you, to practice you how to use I can do something. I can play piano. I can play guitar. Here is I can play triangle. Here number 2. I can play triangle. I can play triangle. Okay, I can play triangle. Triangle. So I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. So I will leave another one to do it by yourself. Today we finished unit 6. Next class I will start unit 7. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.